Transform your Shopify store into a print-on-demand powerhouse without ever touching inventory. First, create your free accounts if you haven't already. Head to the Printful website to sign up and ensure your Shopify store is active and ready to connect. Inside your Printful dashboard, locate the Stores section and click Add a new store. Then select Shopify from the list of available platforms. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store's domain to initiate the connection, which will redirect you to log into your Shopify account to approve the integration. Once you approve the connection, the two platforms are officially linked, allowing them to automatically share product and order data seamlessly. Now for the exciting part: creating your first product back in Printful. Click Add Product and browse their catalog to choose your base item, like a classic unisex t-shirt. Upload your unique design file, position it perfectly on the product mockup, and then customize the product details like colors and sizes you want to offer. Set your retail price to ensure a profit, and when you're ready, hit the Save and Publish button. This will automatically push your new product to your Shopify store. That's it, your product is now live. When an order comes through Shopify, Printful is automatically notified to print, pack, and ship it directly to your customer, letting you focus on growing your brand.